We have enhanced the Hector inside out to make it more advanced, stylish, convenient and comfortable. After all, it's a human thing to evolve. Let me invite my colleague Gaurav to tell you more about this model year 2021.
Thank you, Rajiv, and thank you to all of you for your response to and faith in the MG Hector. We are truly humbled, and I'm super excited to share with you the features in the all-new MG Hector 2021. But first, let me reinforce that safety is at the core of MG Hector. With 25 plus standard safety features, in fact some of them being first in the segment, safety is the foundation of the MG Hector. It comes with superior build quality, which is a result of high tensile steel, hot stamp B-pillar and thicker door panels. It also comes with features like 6 airbags, ESC or electronic stability control, 360-degree camera and many more features. I would now like to take you through the design evolution journey of the MG Hector 2021. The front grille of the MG Hector now has been enhanced. In fact, it now comes with thermopressed chrome striking bold grille, which gives it the right amount of depth and halo to the stance of the MG Hector. The front look also gets enhanced with the all-new gunmetal grey skid plate for that strong stance. The all-new MG Hector comes with 18-inch dual-tone machine alloys. These new alloys give the MG Hector an all-new stunning look, along with driving comfort. Stylish, stunning and bold on the outside, isn't it? But that's not all. Let's check the inside of the MG Hector 2021. There is much more to surprise all of us in there. And let me introduce to you the first in the segment, the all-new two-tone interiors. Yes, the champagne and black theme. All across on the front dashboard or also the fascia, the seats, as well as on the door panels. This entire combination enhances the premiumness of the MG Hector 2021. And we now have ventilated seats, a wireless charger for your mobile, and this really adds to the convenience. And not to forget, the flat floor that already exists on the rear of the MG Hector, which gives you that extra comfort and legroom. When we talk about MG Hector, how can we not talk about internet? After all, it's India's first internet SUV with its iSmart system. Now, over the last 18 months, we've had regular enhancements and upgrades on the iSmart through over-the-air updates, or what we call as FOTA. But now, with the MG Hector 2021, we are taking the iSmart to the next level. To begin with, the iSmart can now be connected to an external Wi-Fi source. It helps you in areas of low connectivity as well as faster downloads. Additionally, now you can also use the iWatch for controls on the MG Hector. You also have the AccuWeather now to help you to know the weather conditions of the place you are starting from as well as where you're driving to. Additionally, now the new updated iSmart has many more new features for your convenience and enhanced security. All our customers and ourselves, we've been loving talking to the MG Hector, and especially through the iSmart system. But now with the MG Hector 2021 and the new upgraded iSmart, we've got a surprise for all of you. Let me show you how we're making it more interesting. Hello MG.
I'm here.
Khulja Sim Sim. There you see. Hello MG.
Hi, how can I help?
FM chalao.
Tuning to FM.
There you see. Hello MG.
I'm listening.
Temperature badhao.
Okay, temperature is raised to 19.5 degrees.
है ना मजेदार? And now, the iSmart in the new MG Hector 2021 can get English commands, a few Hindi, making it a combination of English. After all, To learn and to evolve is a human thing. The MG Hector continues to offer high performance through the options of the 1.5-litre turbo petrol engine, both in manual and automatic, in fact the DCT automatic, the 48-volt hybrid, and the 2-litre turbo diesel engine. The all-new MG Hector 2021, more style, more features, more internet, more voice, and many more.